The Kenya National Boxing League defending champions, and that's the Kenya Defence Forces, have moved a step closer towards retaining their title as the fourth leg of the league intensifies. Isaac Moya and Simon Mulinge were among the winners from day one of the boxing extravaganza.
As the National Boxing League punched off at the Kenya Ports Authority Social Hall in Mombasa, Kenya Defence Forces had their sights set on retaining the title they currently hold. Isaac Moya was first to make it to the semi-final after winning his bantamweight bout. Moya was quick to open his armory of tactics on Martin Odor of Kenya Police, who could not shelter Moya's heavy blows. Moya was named the winner with a 2-1 point on the scorecard from the judges. Kenya Police, however, had a consolation in their hands, courtesy of Cyrus Maseke in the middleweight category. Maseke's ammunition proved too heavy for Moses Ngugi's artillery, as he was knocked out in the second round to leave Maseke comfortably in the finals. Simon Mulinge doubled the Defence Forces' chances of holding on to their title after overcoming Prison's Harrison Mutuku on points in the fly halfweight category. In other bouts of the day, Geoffrey Ouma of Coast was awarded a walkover in bantamweight after his opponent David Wenaina was time-barred. Kennedy Okello of Prison won on split points against Kibra's Isaac Ocheng in the same category. Mohamed Hussein of Okasa defeated Basil Mwangi of Kenya National Hospital on points. Kenya Police topped the league with 60 points, while KDF are second with 3 points behind the leaders, while Prisons are 19 points behind. The finals will take place on Saturday evening. Robinson Okenye, KTN Sports.